to my channel, said your little buddy. I'm back again with a new video. Friends, I think all of you must be having some good habits and some bad habits. So, today we will talk about our habits and routine. But before starting, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. Let's start. Our habits are made from our routine. Let me explain it with an example. My father told me that when he learned driving, he used to be very conscious while driving and focus on the accelerator, brake, clutch, steering, and even about the route of his office. But after some time, it became his routine, and then he just sit in the car to reach his office and back to home. He started focusing on the other things and not on accelerator, brake, clutch, steering, etc. But it is also not good because it may cause an accident. But anyways, do you know why does it happen? It happens because of our subconscious mind which has made driving as routine. And that means when you start to learn something new, in starting you have an enjoyment in that. But when that thing comes in your daily routine, then you do not focus on that. And then we need not to think so much about that work because then our subconscious mind starts doing its effort for that work. Let me give you one more example. If you are thinking something very important and you are moving towards your home and you reach at your home but you are unaware about it, how do you reach the home? Why does it happen? It happens because of a subconscious mind that does its effort to move you from one place to another without doing any effort. One more example of it is after waking up, going direct to brush your teeth. These are the habits that we have made in our routine. It happens due to our subconscious mind so that you need not to worry about everything and you can do the important things or some new things. This helps to maintain your energy for other works. Friends, these are some good habits, but a mind cannot make difference between good habits and bad habits. It just makes every work in its routine to save its effort. And it's a bad thing because the person do bad things most of the time. And due to that, a bad habit starts to develop. To end are these bad habits and make new good habits, you should know how the habits are made. Let's see. There are three steps in which the habits are made. First, trigger. Second, routine. And third, reward. Trigger. What is this trigger? Trigger is that which instigate you to do something. Suppose you want to get rid of eating fast food, but your friend comes and asks you to have burger at McD, but you refuse. Then your friend insists you to eat it once only, and you go with him and eat burger, thinking that it will be last. In this case, your friend is your trigger. Now there are five categories of trigger. First, location means a specific place which triggers you to do that bad or good work. Second, time, at a specific time. Third, emotions like sad or happy. Fourth, because of others like after looking at your friend or watching a television. Fifth, last action like after having dinner, going for a walk. After trigger, now comes routine. It's the second step which the people follow. Let me give you an example. First, after meeting your friend, going to McD, buy burgers and eat it together. All these actions come in routine. Now comes the last step, reward. In the above case, the tempting taste of burger is the reward which makes you happy. Now comes the main question. How can we get rid of these bad habits? As you know, no one can easily get rid of their bad habits immediately. Because our mind stores the pattern of our habits and it stores it very deeply. It is not possible to erase that pattern from our mind. I think you must have seen that people try to get rid of their bad habits, but after getting one strong trigger, the habit comes back. So, the best way to get rid of these bad habits, we should not try to eliminate these habits. Instead, we should try to replace these bad habits with some new good habits. Example, there was a boy who got a habit to eat donuts daily. Because of eating so many donuts full of calories made him fat and unhealthy. One day, he decided to get rid of this bad habit, and his friend recommended him to read the book The Power of Habit. And after reading the main principles of the book, he started to apply these principles in his life. First step, he observed that between 3 to 3:30 p.m. he craves to eat donuts. This time was the trigger. Between this period he starts getting bored. Second step. Then he starts his routine. First he goes towards the elevator, then towards the canteen where he buys the donut and then talks with his friends, and while talking with his friends he eats the donut. Third step, reward. The taste and the enjoyment while eating that donut was the reward. After knowing this process, he started applying his second step written in the book. And next day between 3 to 3:30 p.m. when he craves to eat donut, he went to the canteen, but this time he bought a chocolate instead of donut. And while talking with his friends, he ate that chocolate. And gradually he eliminated this habit of eating donuts. Now I know you must be thinking that he got a new habit of eating chocolate. But it's not like that. First he stopped eating donut and replaced it with chocolate. Then with some other things and so on. Gradually he stopped eating everything, which is not good for health. That means you can get rid of any bad habits. The first step is find your trigger, routine and reward. Second step, replace your these routine and reward with some other good routine and reward. I know it will be little difficult to do it, but if you can control yourself, you can do it. This is the simplest way to get rid of the bad habits. Friends, I have shared these principles from the book The Power of Habits by Sir Charles Duhigg. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment to give your feedback and also let me know a topic you want. I should prepare a new video. And finally, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.